Okay, it's time to make coconut pecan filling and frosting for the German chocolate cake. So today we're going to make the coconut pecan frosting for the German chocolate cake. And in my pan I have sugar and a little bit of salt, and then we will add our other ingredients. Now I have added my cream and my egg yolks that were beaten into the cream, and then the butter in here. Now I warmed my cream a little bit first, just to kind of give it a head start on the stove and to help to prevent it from burning as it heats. So I'm going to put this on the stove, and we're going to cook it for a little bit, and then we'll add our coconut and our pecans and our vanilla at that point. There it is, cooking. It's not quite thick enough yet, so we'll let it cook a little bit longer. When it gets a little bit thicker, then we'll add our other ingredients. Okay, here it is, and look, you can see that it's gotten considerably thicker here. And when it cools a little bit, it's getting a little bit better there. So now it's time to add the coconut and the pecans. Okay, the coconut and pecans and vanilla has been added. Now I'll just stir this up, and then I'm going to just let it sit for a little while to let the whole mixture cool so it'll go on the cake better. Okay, so here we are ready to ice the cake. I've already put some of this on here. Now, typically a traditional, I guess you would say, German chocolate cake, they only put the icing or the filling in between the layers. And on top, for this particular cake though, it's been requested that it have the fudge topping. So the icing would just go, or the filling as you might say, just goes between the layers. Okay, so there's my first layer. Now, I've already trimmed these a little bit, so they were, just to make them even, because this one is for a specific purpose. If it was just gonna feed my family, I wouldn't straighten it, but it does lay better if it is. So I'll put some more here on this layer. Now you notice that I put the top down. Okay, so on the bottom layer and the middle layer, then I put the top down, face down. On the last layer, the top is going to go up. And that, generally your top has a little more curvature to it, makes it look a little bit nicer presentation. So this one will go up on top here. Now you can see that it's ready for the fudge icing to go on. What I will do with this, I'm gonna let it sit here on the counter for a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the cake carrier. I'm gonna let it sit here for a little while, and this will just kind of help to set it, let it all sit together for a while, so that it kind of it melds together, I guess you could say, and then it will be ready for the fudge topping in just a little bit. And that's all there is to it.